Here's how we professionally clean a block paving driveway. To start with, the customer doesn't need to be home. We can usually manage quite well without the homeowner there, so he can go out and enjoy his day. In fact, in February, one of our customers booked us in for a gutter, driveway, and patio clean for a Valentine's present for his wife. Anyway, it begins with a good sweep down and moving of any pots or furniture. Then, using our professional 4000 psi jet wash and lance, we cut in around the edges, making sure to give the surrounding plants and fences a good soak. Once that's done, we'll use our 21-inch surface cleaner on the main body of the drive, which covers 6 blocks at once with two high-powered nozzles, which makes the process faster, a lot faster. Next, we'll apply a little love to that oil stain and a little more love to those little black spots beneath his tree where the sun rarely ventures. Nice. Then we'll have a good hose down to clear the dirt off. At this point, the driveway will look spectacular, but we're not done yet, not by a long shot. We'll apply a professional grade chemical, sodium hypochlorite to be precise, which, once applied, will be agitated, then left for 15 minutes or so. Seeing as it's a chemical, we'll have another rinse down to make sure it's safe. Then we'll apply a biocide treatment, which in most cases prevents moss and algae from returning for 3 to 5 years. The next day it's raining, so we can't resand, but that's okay because our customer doesn't pay until we're finished. The next nice day we have, we'll be back to resand and to take some nice before and after photos. Now tell me, would you hire a professional driveway cleaning company or would you still do it yourself? And to round this off, I'll put it in perspective. A new driveway is around £10,000 on average. An average driveway clean is £500. You can have your driveway professionally cleaned 20 times for the cost of a new one. Think about that and let us know if you'd like a free survey.